In order to develop apps, there are certain tools you're going to need to download and install. Now, different developers have different tools that they prefer. These are simply the tools we're using in this course. As you become more advanced as a developer, you may find other tools that you prefer. So perhaps the most important tool, and the one you'll spend the most time working in, is your text editor. I recommend using the Brackets text editor, which is available at brackets.io. If you visit this website, you'll see a download button. This is available for both PC and Mac, so when you click the download button and install the application, you'll be ready to go. You can also review the web page and see some of the features of Brackets that make it the recommended editor for this course. I've already downloaded and installed Brackets, and I have it right here. And as you can see, it's simply an environment to edit code. Now, it is different than a word processor. A word processor is going to introduce special formatting strings into the text. Those strings would be misinterpreted by the browser that's eventually going to run the code, so we want to avoid that. That's why we use a pure text editor such as Brackets. And you can see here, Brackets works similarly to a word processor in that I can type code, and that code is reflected on the screen. It has basic features such as the file menu, which includes save, close, and open, and some more complicated features such as a very robust find and replace feature. So this particular text editor has been my favorite for a long time. It's produced by Adobe, but it is both free and open source. So you're going to be able to use this without incurring any actual cost. The second tool that you'll need is a web browser. I recommend Chrome for development. Chrome is, of course, from Google, and you can download it simply by going to the Google website and typing Chrome download. That'll take you to a link for google.com/Chrome where you can download the latest version of the browser. This, of course, is also available for Mac or PC. Simply click the download button and install the browser. Now, the reason I like this particular browser is because it has a set of tools just for app developers. If you notice this menu right here where my pointer is, if you click it, choose More Tools, and then at the bottom, Developer Tools, that's going to bring you to a special hidden set of features that are available for developers. You can click through these and you can see that they show you the actual code behind any page. They have a console for communicating with the application, a sources page, a page about the network connection, and some other debugging features. So these special tools are available within the Chrome browser. They're known as the Chrome Developer Tools, and that's why I recommend you get the Chrome browser. We're going to be using the Chrome browser and the Chrome tools in our course. The other thing that Chrome has is a device mode, which allows you to simulate your page on various mobile devices. So let's say we wanted to see what this page would look like on a Google Nexus 7 tablet. We can create a simulation of that so we know whether or not our pages look good on different mobile devices. We can even go to some older devices like, for example, the Apple iPhone 4 and see what the page would look like. Notice how the text got bigger because that's how it would appear on the iPhone 4. So the Chrome and the Chrome Developer Tools are the second piece you're going to need in your actual toolbox for this course. Third, you're going to need an account, and it's free, at a website called Mashape Marketplace. Be careful typing this one. It's market.mashape.com. This site actually has an API that we're going to use to translate English into Yoda speak for our application. If you click Sign Up when you get to this page, you can create your own account with a username, email address, and password. That's all you need to do for now is go ahead and create your account, and I'll show you how to use it later. If you want to explore the Mashape website, you'll see a number of APIs or application programming interfaces that may be interesting to you. Here's the YotaSpeak interface we're going to be using right at the top. More on that a little later. So now, before you watch the next video, go ahead and get your Developer's Toolbox set up for the rest of the course.